Have you ever stayed up late studying only to forget everything the next day? This happens because sleep is actually when your brain organizes and stores information, a process called memory consolidation. Many students sacrifice sleep to study more, but research shows sleep actually improves memory and academic performance. To fully save what you learned, studies show that students who sleep well tend to perform better in school. On the other hand, lack of sleep makes you feel tired, lose focus, and even increase stress levels. So staying up all night to study might actually do more harm than good. If you want better grades and better concentration, don't just study hard, sleep well too. Thank you for your time and attention. My name is Sharifa Omar.